All right. Hey, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. My name is Eric. Welcome to my channel. And if you find this information useful, I would greatly appreciate if you go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. But today I'm going to show you how especially if you're a beginner, to find stocks using Tradingview, which has the free version, and how to use their screener. So without further ado, let's get to this. So this is the opening page, and all you have to do with Tradingview is give them your email and some info, and you're in. This is their opening page that you will get into, and we're simply just going to come over here and come over to products, and right down here is screeners, and we're just going to move right over to stocks right here. So after we're all up with this page, as you can see, I've got 14,000 stocks. That's way too many to find out. So I want to narrow that down. I'm going to narrow it down by a lot by going up. There's an index tab here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm just going to go to S&P 500 because that's very nice stocks that generally do well, and they have a lot of volume. I don't have to put in volume average or any of that stuff, and it just makes it a lot quicker. So, and we're already down to 500, and these are very good stocks that actually people will invest in for their retirement. They'll invest in ETF stocks that just invest in the S&P 500, like VOO. There's lots of them. Fidelity has one. SPY, SPY. But I'm showing you stocks. So after we do that, we'll come over here, and there's a plus sign, and we're simply just going to click on that, and I'm going to go and come through here, and I'm going to find the moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. Most people call it MACD, but there it is. We're going to click on that and simply just click add the filter. And after we do that, we're going to come back up here and click on level crosses up signal, and we're down. Boom, just like that, we're down to 7. So after that, we'll even get a little, let's see if we can get just a little better, and we'll just do one more technical here. EMA, exponential moving averages, is right here. I would click on that. I will go to the 200 and click add filter, and then after that I will make an adjustment, simply clicking on it, and I want below price. I want this to be below price, and there you go. 4 nice stocks that are doing very well. They had about 1%. Let's see how I did. Let's see, we got WEC Energy Group, and you can just click on the full chart here. I like to, and this has gone down just a little bit. It's making its way back up. Let's see how well I did. And there's PG here. Let's see how well it's doing. It's a little sporadic here, but this is a nice one. You may want to watch. It's had a nice dip here. Up, down. Oh, it's gone down 12%. It's making its way back up. Looks like there's some room for growth there. It's just gone above there, but the MACD, which I do not have on, which would be nice, but you can just simply, if you want to find that, you simply go in here to indicators. If you were searching for it for the first time, and you would just put MACD, and it's right here on top, and as you can see, I've got it starred. There's lots of them. There's a strategy one too, but I just click on this one, and it comes up, and as you can see, yep, we got a green, and this is also nice. This is one I might put on my watch list, or take it. And it is Sunday, so Monday may take another look at it to see if it's a profitable stock. There's a probability that this is going to go up a lot higher. Not financial advice, of course, and we're all paper trading with anything I say, I hope, or anything you hear on the internet. And then we got AT&T and Verizon too, so narrows it down real quick, and it's all free. And we'll do a short recap. I just did index S&P 500 MACD crossing up, and the price, the EMA 200 above, not above, below the price, showing that the stock has been doing well for 200 days, which is nice. So we'll wrap it up with that. I said this is going to be a quick video. We're right at about 5 minutes. So if you find any of this information useful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.